draw Venn diagram and shade the region representing the following sets. Okay, so we are going to see how to draw Venn diagram and shade the region for the given sets. Okay, so first subdivision we have to find complement of A. Okay, it is given that A dash. Okay, so we have to draw the complement of we have to draw the Venn diagram for the complement of A. Okay, so A dash. Okay, so figure shows the situation. Okay, let us assume two sets, capital A, capital B, and universal set A. Okay, for A dash, what we have to do is we should not shade the A circle. Okay, so the remaining region has to be shaded. Okay, so this is the Venn diagram for A dash. Okay, so the A circle, we have to find A dash. Okay, so the A region, okay, the region which contains the A circle should not be shaded. Okay, so the remaining region has to be shaded. Okay, where U is the total area. Okay, next we have to find A minus B the whole dash. Okay, so A minus B the whole complement. Okay, we have to find, first we have to find A minus B. Okay, first we before finding A minus B the whole bar, we have to find A minus B the whole dash. What we have to do is we have to find A minus B first. Okay, so draw the diagram like this. A minus B means A only, not B. Okay, so this is the A circle, this is the B circle. Okay, so consider the universal set containing two sets A, B. Okay, so this area is common to both A and B. Okay, but here we are going to find A minus B. Okay, so A minus B means in the A and B circle we have to shade only the A region. Okay, that should not contain the B region. Okay, if we shade this, if we shade here, this region will also cover B. Okay, so we should not shade this region. So A minus B means only A. Okay, we should not shade B. Okay, but we have to find A minus B the whole bar. Okay, so to find A minus B the whole bar, what we have to do is we have to unshade the shaded region which was done in the A minus B. Okay, remember, to find A minus B the whole dash, we have to find A minus B first. How to find A minus B? To find A minus B, A minus B means A only. Okay, we should not include the common region for A and B. Okay, so A only means this region. Okay, but we have to calculate A minus B the whole bar, whole dash. Okay, to find A minus B the whole dash, first we have to find A minus B. Okay, and then find and then unshade the shaded region and shade the unshaded region which was done in the A minus B, in the A minus B set. Okay, so next we have to find A union B the whole complement, A union B complement. Okay, to find A union B the whole complement, first we have to find A union B. Okay, so A union B means the set A circle and B circle whole have to be shaded. Okay, to find A union B, we have to shade A union B together. Okay, but we need to find A union B the whole bar. Okay, so what we have to do is, now we just unshade the shaded region which was done in the A minus A union B, and shade the unshaded region. Okay, so the A union B the whole bar is equal to like this. Okay,